Hi guys, welcome to this small tutorial how to fix a problem with this star shower motion. That's some kind of laser thing, so I put it on widescreen so you can see everything. Yeah, that's some kind of laser light beam which you can use for Christmas or so. That's a pretty cool thing. It works actually really great. I have it since a couple of years, and yeah, it works really good. The only problem we had is that it doesn't start during the night. When it gets dark, it should automatically turn on, but it never did. So what was actually the problem? Here we have the device, and on top of this green and red laser there is a sensor behind the glass, and this is measuring how much light it's outside. So when it's getting dark, it should automatically turn on the laser. The problem is when you point it towards your home, and your home is also illuminated by other lights, it may be too bright to turn it on. So what you can do, I took two pieces of this Blackmagic tint film. You can buy this for about $10 at every Walmart, large Walmart superstore. I bought the 35% VLT, means visibility light transmission. So I needed 2 layers. If you can buy the 20%, and yeah, unfortunately I was not able to get it at my store, but if you get the 20% probably, then it probably will be enough with 1 layer, so you don't have to use 2 layers on top as I did. So yeah, maybe you have to try it a little bit. Maybe it's also a good idea if you buy the 35%, so you can do with different layers. Maybe then 20% could be too much, you never know. So yeah, it's very easy to put different layers on top of them. You have to just clean the whole thing, put a little bit of water on it, and stick these things to the glass. So I was worried a little bit if it won't stick, that it won't stick or fall off over time, especially with the irrigation, but it never did. So it lasted for the whole time. Maybe I will have to reapply next year, I don't know, but for the moment it really works. So yeah, that's it. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions, write to the comment section below, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.